Alright, so 244K instrument cluster here intermittently goes in and out. This indicator panel does not. So we know our power feeds are good and our ground is good in these sections because this never conks out. But we have a splice here going into the connector and a splice here. So we get myself set up again. So we're just going to go to ground here and we're going to hop onto our test light here. Bear with me. All right, hold on. Yeah, just hit it to the test light there. So we got 4 amps carried on that. 4 amps carried on that wire, and same on the ground side. So then we go to our splices here. Black, wiggle, 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 pull, nothing. We go to our white pink splice, which is our power, wiggle, pull, nothing. And then, there we are. We wiggle our connector in the back here. And that's it, slight pressure to the inside. Right there, slight pressure. And conks in and out. But notice, we never lose our voltage feed. So voltage, out. Simple as that. Bad joints within the board here, pin fitment's good. Needs a little instrument module. Simple as that. Narrow it down with the schematic, figure out the wires, load test them, check operation.